I think it is done now. Just Hi guys, so today we are making a video on how you can start and grow your own business. I've posted a story online asking like, do you want to know how I started my small business or Q&A sessions? So asked me Jasmine _19 and asked me how much time did it take to grow to the level that you have wished for. So I'm just going to make this video and I've prepared notes for you guys, so I'm going through everything and I'm going to help you out here. So if you're curious to know that how I started my small business, how I started getting orders, getting eyes on my business, how I started my own network, so this video is for you. Just received an order from lingerie containing 7 items. I'm just going to pack that real soon. So when I first started, it was back in December 2020. So I started out of my small room. In like that room, there was a small table. I started from that corner, started making my products. 6 months of research on the products that I wanted to make. I read everything possible. I read research papers for ingredients to use, not to use. I did clear up my mind that what all is in the marketing, like if it is really bad or it is not really bad. So I made up my mind that yeah, like some brands say this is bad ingredient, but is it actually a bad ingredient or it is just for their marketing, how they're working out? So I made my mind very clear on that and I knew what all to use and what all not to use. So it was a very appropriate approach. I feel I was not going under marketing, I was actually going through science. So that was my first step starting this business. So in the between this video I've prepped everything here because I am going to be packing like small shampoo bars because we have got a big batch upstairs and I'm just going to pack this up and I have packed these many right now and I'm just going to put stickers on them. So I hope you guys don't mind me doing that in this video because I'm always doing something, so I was like, let's do this while making this video. So I hope you guys don't mind at all. So moving on to like how I exposed myself, knowing, like introducing my business to other people. So I started with my own channels which I had, like my own Instagram page. So I started using my contacts as like spreading the news that I've started this my small business and I'm selling handmade skincare. If you're interested, you can shop. And actually what happened, my friends and family started posting for me on their channels. So it gave me a lot of exposure overall. People from there started knowing that yeah, this girl has started this, and that really helped me a lot. The main thing that happened with my products were that they were very good quality, so people who used them already wanted to gift them to a lot of people that they knew, and they told me that your product smells so amazing. And also they were since we were a small business, so they had an opportunity to also make customizations, so that was really helping people to come to me and ask me for the customization. So that really helped me through. And gifting is one of the biggest thing that has happened to Kaura because a lot of skincare brands get shadowed because they can't be gifted, but with my skincare products it was never the case. And people really loved my product, how they behaved. Like the scent was so nice, the aroma was nice, we used essential oils, and the like the look of the product overall was so amazing that people would want it to give to another people, and they would use and come back to me that hey, we received your product as a gift and we really like it. And something of this sort actually happened with me on a very big scale. I like it blew my mind. I was just sitting with my friends and having coffee, and suddenly I got a notification on my Instagram that Twinkle Khanna has posted about me on her page Tweak India, and that actually blew my mind. It was such a big deal for me that I like right now I get goosebumps about it, and that actually has led me into a lot of bulk orders. And she actually posted about us saying I think a box that we have a relax bundle. So she actually like posted on her page, like if you're looking for a gift boxes. So the first one was Kaura India relax bundle, and it actually gave us a lot of bulk orders. So that was really kind of her, and she's such a mega star. So like coming that from her was a really big deal. One more thing, when I was starting my small business, I already had one order, like just starting and like going through. So I had a really good reach on Instagram, and one of the girl who reached out to me, she was a bride to be, and she ordered 500 hampers for a beach wedding, which was amazing. And we had to make a lot of soaps for that, and that actually has helped me. I want to point out, if you're starting a small business, that you have to be you. uh, like me being an introvert, to come out on a page and talk on stories and talk to people, it it takes a lot of courage for me, because I was not comfortable with the camera, and still am not. And coming here, sitting here and talking, it is my like seventh or eighth video where I'm trying to talk the same thing again and again. The first video, I was really scared of the camera. I could not speak. You just have to break your own boundaries sometimes. Like me as an introvert, I had to come on the camera and talk about the things that I do, and that actually gave me a lot of exposure. People really want to see who you are, and they really connect with you. So if you're starting a small business, my only and only suggestion is put yourself out there, because people have so much love for you. And so when you're starting on Instagram, like when you're starting social media channels to connect with more people, to get more eyes on your small business, you have to make sure that you go out there on every platform possible, which is good for you, like which is relatable. Like for my business, it was Pinterest, YouTube, and Instagram. Like we did not go on Snapchat, and I did not think that Etsy was a platform for me. We are starting on Etsy, but we are still thinking about it, because I'm not very sure about it. We are available on Amazon. The biggest channel in India is Amazon and Flipkart. They have huge customer base. I get like so many orders from Amazon every day, and I could not like if I have missed on that platform, you missed on so many customers. You have to think about that also. I had a very good opportunity with my like vendors also. Like there are so many, like there are 25 to 30 vendors through which we sell. We are also connected with Aditya Birla Group, like when we started, so they had a massive order with us. So we worked with their company too, and we have worked with Reliance. So I have worked with all these big brands for their corporate orders, Amazon, and all of that. So the most amazing thing about me was that I was getting the eyes of these big giants, because I never reached out to them for any of their collaborations. They were coming to me, and they were like, we really like your product, seeing your product somewhere. So with social media channels, one thing that has happened with me, that when we launched our whip soap and shampoo bars, they got so much hype.
start with, this rose whipped soap is a real good one from Kaura India, which is
that even like I have like people from these big companies like Reliance, Aditya Birla Group, they have come to me and they have asked me for the corporate hampers or to be able to sell them on their platforms. So that has been a very big opportunity for me as per Instagram. So it has worked really wonders for me. Actually matters how your products are. Like my products were more of word of mouth. It was like a domino effect. So one of blogger, like we collaborated with her.
The first product is hot chocolate whip soap. Oh my god, first of all, this smells like heaven, and the texture and everything feels so soft on my skin. It's amazing. Second one is dreamy body lotion.
Once, and she liked the product so much that in her locality she went to a salon, and when she did not see our product there, she actually recommended the owner to keep our products. And then the owner has connected back with me and she told me the whole story about it, and I was so thankful that she really did that for us. And the owner has took a lot of products from us and she started selling it, and that's how I built into another city. So that's how thing goes. Like people who are into your community on your Instagram, they are so helpful and they're loving you so much that you have to keep up with the love and give back to them. So that has been really nice experience for me. So one more thing about social media that you have to keep in mind is always be consistent. Like I have been consistent from past 2 years. Like growth in number of followers does not matter. The growth should be about your orders, about your brand being out there. I have like almost 8,000 followers and I see a lot of growth. And there are people who like my post religiously because I have been very satisfied with followers, but more people who support you. So that is more important, I feel. When I first started, so I started making these shampoo bars, and our molds for our shampoo bars are custom made for us. Like there are like 2 clamps, and then we put the dough inside it and we just do the clamp, and this is how they come right out like so. And I always wanted my own custom design, so we have also made our own boxes. They are not available in the market, and we have also got this vent because I believe that in skincare people would want to see how the product is looking, plus they want to know how it smells like. So my shampoo bar smells so amazing. So you can smell the essential oil blend of any of my product and they are incredible. Customers always come up to me and they say, your product smells heavenly, and that sentence makes my day whenever it is coming from customers. So that actually means a lot to me. So I always wanted my customers to see and feel my product how it is. So that is the same thing about all of my products. Like you can see my products through my glass jars, you can see my products from the vent that we have, and even our soap boxes, they have a bigger vent. So like it's a bigger box like so, and then there's a bigger vent. One of my friends has helped me with the designs of my boxes. He was kind enough to take me to the vendors, and he took me and made the designs with me. So that was really kind of him to help me. Yeah, also there would be people around you, like your family, your friends, who are your biggest cheerleader. For me, my friends and my family has been my biggest cheerleaders. There was no time they did not believe in me. They always had trust with There's another order, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for placing your order with us. It got 19 items, and thank you. So yeah, this is not coming out. So you have to put yourself out there, be yourself, and this video was useful to you, like how I grew my small business, and I hope there are few more videos to go. So I see you in the next video. If you like this video and if you have any more ask, please do in the comments below. I would love to see your questions there and I would love to reply to them. Thank you so much. Bye bye.